Morning guys. Hi, so we are back home in Abuja. I feel like I have so much to do to settle back into being in the house. Today I have a couple of errands that I want to go and do. I know, like, I just got back, but I want to get them done and then I can really, like, you know, get settled into being back home. I'm going to relax my hair. I took my hair out yesterday and my edges are no better. Look. So I am collaborating with a boutique here in Abuja called the Runway Boutique, and I'm not gonna give it away, you know, but I'm actually, by the time this video goes up, the video will be up already. Yeah, this girl open it. Can't deal with this girl. I can't. She actually managed to open it. Say hi. So I am off to go get my hair relaxed, hence the turban. I ordered, why? Okay. I ordered a high chair for Jasmine, so I'm gonna go pick that up as well. Giving mommy kisses. I really love this headband on her. Say hi. Hey. So today I am working with Noah Beauty. We're doing a video shoot. I left the charger for my battery in Port Harcourt. So we just woke up not too long ago, guys, and the last couple of days, yeah, Jasmine has been like really irritated, grumpy and all of that. So, and she's been like drooling a lot and putting her hand in her mouth. And if you notice, when she just smiled, you could see like a bit of white on the top teeth. So this morning, you know, I put my finger there and I felt her teeth, guys. Her top teeth is coming out. I don't know why this got me so emotional. I'm trying to have a conversation here. But it's so cute. I can't believe her top teeth is coming out. You're gonna eat all the chicken. All the chicken. Jasmine. Jay. Yeah, you did. You naughty girl. What are you doing, baby? What are you doing? What are you doing? Ah! Look at your high chair. Do you like it? Jasmine, do you like your high chair? She's not even interested at all. Yesterday, actually, I got some frames a few weeks ago. So while I was in Port Harcourt, I printed out some like wall art and I put it on the wall. I'm like really taking my time in terms of getting this house to look the way I want. I've been doing a lot of home improvement, home decor kind of thing. I want to change the curtains in this room, change the bedding, and just, you know, spruce it up a little bit. just got very inspired to record a makeup tutorial. I don't know where the ginger came from, but I just got very inspired, so I'm gonna do that now. Fingers crossed it turns out really nicely. I'm hoping it turns out really well, because me and makeup tutorials just never come out the way I want it to. Why is this so dark? Oh no. Saturday today, and I think I am going to have a chilled day. Oh, it's okay. I think I'm gonna have a chilled day. Okay guys, let me just attend to this girl. I miss my vlogging camera. Vlogging with my iPhone is just, it's not the one. It's not the one, is it? I finally answered her. It's quite late actually. It's already 12 and this is the first meal she's having. She slept for a long time. So that's why we're just coming down now. This is my DIY frame. How cute is that? So I'm gonna make her some pancakes for breakfast. Yeah. She's like, put me down. Jasmine, I'm going. Bye. See ya. Bye. Can we go? Come on then. Good girl. Oh. Come on. Good girl. I actually want to get our things ready for church tomorrow. I want to pick out my outfit and her outfit. This has some matching shorts. I think I'll have her wearing this. I keep some of her clothes in my walk-in, and then I'm gonna pick what I'm gonna wear. So Jasmine. Shock. So I have picked out our outfits and I just need to iron mine. So what I'm gonna do is she's probably gonna go down for a nap now. So while she's napping, I will quickly go iron it. And that's my Saturday. Because I'm recording with my phone, I keep looking directly at the screen, but I need to look at the camera because then it looks like I'm cross-eyed. Sorry guys. And then we're ready for church tomorrow. Yeah.